Hi friend, this is a wonderful blog website that we created in an earlier video. This is wonderful and you can watch the specific video made on the theme called Your Logs for overviewing this theme. And this brings a full featured professional blog websites. In this video, we are going to discuss a very common need for every website, that is contact us form. In almost all the WordPress themes, contact form 7 is being used as contact form feature, and we can use and create contact forms using this contact form option. So I have seen around 95 or even more percentage of websites using this contact form 7, and it is very development friendly contact form creation plugin. This is why it is being commonly used, but it has certain limitations that is really not suitable for a professional website. Like most commonly, it cannot save the data that is being collected through the contact form. So if we talk about this contact form and any data is being filled here, it is only going to email that is configured with the contact form. It is the data, the information is not being saved. So this is very common requirement for every website, so that all the data can be collected at a single space, single screen or single format, so that it can be further used for promotional activities or business activities. So how we can overcome this limitation? This limitation, I mean all the limitations that is inherent with the contact form 7. But it is of course a wonderful development friendly contact form plugin. But yes, we are talking about the limitation of contact form 7 in this video and how we can overcome these limitations. So I have this wonderful plugins, and it is an plugin that can enhance the complete functionality, the complete features you actually need for contact form 7, and you can turn your contact form 7 into a professional contact form builder. Now, this plugin Ultimate Addons for contact form 7, this is the official website that I am showing you, offers 30 plus add-ons in just one plugin. So you can create multi-step forms, star ratings, so you can see all these features, and it is going to be amazing for every website that is using contact form 7. So it goes without saying, this is going to be important for your website as well. Even if you are using the contact form 7 in well configured manner, you can enhance the capability. So which feature we may target first of all? Okay, so this contact add-on feature can be availed free, so it can be installed free as well, and I'm going to tell you what is available for free. So you can use for free 20 add-ons are coming free, so you can enjoy the benefits of this free. So unlimited uses of course, and there is no restriction for free. AI form generator is here, columns grid, conditional field you can use for free, country drop down with flag, database. The database add-on helps to store form data. So this is very important and it is free. That is what I am talking about. So it is available free. You can store data with the contact form using this plugin for free. Digital signature is also here, and MailChimp integration. Form styler is also good. So I mean, most of the cases we need to design our contact form, but due to limitations we cannot do. So once you install this free plugin, free feature, you can style your contact form 7 as well. Style your entire form without any CSS coding, including colors, margins, button styles, and font style. Okay, so you can even use dynamic text, multi-step form you can create using this, and the Pebbly Zipper webhook you can use, the pre-populated field, the redirection, the placeholder styling, the PDF generate. Okay, good. The range slider. So this is also very commonly used nowadays for selecting the price range and all. Star rating fields, submission ID, spam protect. Okay, good. and product drop down, the Telegram integration, and the form preview before submit. Okay, this is also very good, and this is very unique. So it is coming soon, in fact. So it is not yet implemented. And the material design or form submit letter. Okay, so these are some important features that we can avail free. And if we talk about the pro feature, pro add-on that is coming with the unlimited add-ons for contact form 7. If we talk about the pro features, so booking an appointment form is here in the pro feature. Columns, custom width, and the conditional field pro, the form styler, the conversational form, the conditional redirect. Okay, so these are advanced features, of course. Front end post submissions, IP geo fields. Okay, multi-step form pro. Okay, range slider pro, so there might be some difference in the range slider. Repetitor field star rating, e-commerce checkout is also here if you have an e-commerce website that is using contact form 7. E-commerce categorize, the WhatsApp integration. Okay, this is also very good. Multiple product, multiple drop down, and product grade. So these are total, I can see 20 plus 18, 38. Not only 30, so it is 38 in count and maybe increasing regularly. And if we take the demo of this feature, so this is contact forms. So this is demo website coming from the developer itself. So this is contact form, and this is a multi-step form, just for example. And we have all the settings available here in a form section itself. So we have multi-step start and all these product drop down, star rating and all. So these are the add-on features, and ultimate add-on setting can be seen here. And we have the total control on the form through these add-ons like digital signature, form styler we can use, and enable form styler. You can simply enable Mailchimp integration, multi-step. So whatever we talked in the beginning of this video, and this is all available with this. And if we talk about the ultimate add-ons, which add-ons are here? So these are the add-ons. And of course, we can enable and disable the things that we need to use at our contact form. All is 37, active is 25, deactive. Okay, so pro feature might not be enabled here. Multi-step form, the IPGO. Okay, so this is pro, and we need to have the pro version, of course, for using this feature. The free version is available, and I'm sure the free version is going to fulfill your almost all needs until you need advanced feature at your contact form 7. So this is a wonderful plugin that can actually enhance the features of your contact form 7. Now, why I shown you this website? So by default, this website, this is our website, the test website, the demo website that we want to check. This is using contact form 7, and so of course I have not installed the ultimate add-on, so there are all the limitations with this contact form. So let us install this plugin and let us see how it works actually. So I have shown you the demo as well. This is the demo coming from the developer itself, but yes, I wish to install the same plugin at my website. Okay, so I have installed the Pro plugin, Contact Form 7, Ultimate Add-ons for Contact Form 7 Pro. I'm using the Pro version, of course. So I'm activating the plugin. Let us see how it works and how it is going to enhance the feature of. Okay, so I need to install the free version first to use the Pro version. So I'm going to install the free as well. Okay, so this is the link, and we can simply get this form. Ultimate add-ons. Okay, this is the plugin, I believe. Themific. Yes, so we have to install this Themific Ultimate Add-ons for Contact Form 7 free version for using the Pro version even. This is the core plugin that we need to install first before installing the Pro, and even if you have installed the Pro version, you need to use this plugin that is free version as well. So installed, and let us activate this, and this will completely enable all the features that we need. Okay, wonderful. So now after installing this, I am here and I can simply enable the features of it. And now I can simply enable the features, like this is the custom breed. So these are the pro versions. So I can simply enable the things here and conditional fields and all the things that I wish to use at my website. Form styler is also here. So, okay. So there are some limitations, and of course, once you have the pro version, you'll definitely get all these things. But yes, we can simply form type, and we can go to the next form generator. Okay. So this is well enabled, and thanks. So all add-ons I can see here, and these are the booking appointment and all some features. Like if I wish to add the booking appointment, this is a pro feature. I just enable this. So it's very simple. In a toggle button, we can enable and disable things. And similarly, all the features that we actually want for our website. And if I take you to the form, one of the forms, so all forms is here. And okay, so I can edit the contact default. And now I have this additional field. So we can enable the booking form here simply, and disable the duplicate booking as well, the inter-calendar event. So all those things that we need and what we have enabled, so it will be available here. So it is very simple to use, and we can definitely increase the features here by controlling the contact form 7 features, add-on features, of course. So this is all about, and of course I don't need to illustrate the features as well, because it is very simple and it is easy to understand in terms as well. So like if we are coming to the add-on again, so if you are willing to generate the contact form 7 with appointment features, you can simply enable this conditional field. If you want to keep, again, enable this. And similarly, all the things, if you want to join the add a digital signature or something, mainly this is the feature and the database storation. So once you enable the feature, it will start storing the data for all forms, and you will be able to download the data and all. And if we are talking about a single feature like booking form, it has all the features like for a booking form generator. If we enable the booking form, we can disable the duplicate booking, the calendar event, the booking mail we can select. So, and the booking summary, the booking date, booking time, the front end setting like single date and range of date, calendar time, and the booking availability, booking unavailability, the disable date, the time settings, and all those settings that you need for getting a booking form. Even you can integrate the full format. Similarly, once you enable the feature that you want for your contact form 7, you'll be able to handle all the settings. It is simple to use and very effective for contact form 7, and I believe this is a must-have plugin for every website, every WordPress website that is using contact form 7. And as I said, around 95 or even more percentage of website is using contact form 7 as contact form builder, and it is going to be a necessary plugin for all those websites. So this is very simple, and you can have the free and the pro version as well as per your requirement. And I have already shown you the official website, so you can go here and you can check the pricing if you are willing to have the pro version, which is available for $49 or $99 for individual and freelancer. But what I will recommend is start with the free version, and you will definitely get your desired features in even free version as well. Depending upon your choices, the pro version is also available. So follow the links given in the video description. You will definitely choose the things that you need for your WordPress website, like themes and all other plugins that you actually want. And in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Till then, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.